This is Nikon ZR camera, and this kit necessary for Nikon ZR. First, this is the lens. My lens 35mm f1.8s. To my card, memory card, Angelbird Pro CF Express Type B 1TB. My micro card, Delkin Devices 128GB V90. My card reader, ProGrade Digital. Yes, this is my storage, Samsung T9 2TB. That's all.